Sawadika everyone. Today lesson I'm going to show you how to carve this dragon fruit into a rose. So let's get started. First of all, you need to trim all this little pointy thing on a outer side part of the fruit. Kind of smooth out the area here. And I'm going to trim the top part out and the bottom so the fruit can be sit flat on the bottom. Okay, once you have, let me trim some more. Trim this bumpy skin out. We're going to carve this. Dragon fruit is very fragile and had actually didn't have much taste on it, but it's good for your body. Doesn't have any sugar in it. So now go ahead and divide your fruit into a section. I'm gonna go ahead divide into 6 section. Okay, we're gonna create a leaf section on the outer layer of the fruit here. So draw a straight line down from each section. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one, 6. Now, what you need to do is open up each section. Use my paring knife. Peel out. Don't cut it too deep because you're going to cut through the flesh of the fruit. So you just want to scrape off the skin. Just like that. Okay. They are easily to be peeled off actually, but we want to be very careful not to tear it. Okay, here we go. Now go ahead and trim the outer layer because we want to create this to be part of the leaf. One last one. Okay, here we go. We have the outer layer or create into a leaf shape. Start to look good already. See there? You see this top part here, we need to cut it out actually. Now we're gonna go ahead and trim this out. Okay, let's go ahead start carving our petals. You're gonna carve the petals in between the two. You're not gonna start from here and end up here, or start from here. Be sure that in between your petals. So I'm gonna start in between half of these petals to half of that petals right here. Take your knife, cut a thin slice, and curve it down. Trim it out. Okay. Then trim this area out. See how it start curve? Then take your knife, insert little overlap inside the first petal. Again, draw a thin slice and then carve and trim it out. And trim it out. Okay. Again, you want to trim each time that you cut, so the corner of each section become one. Okay, not just there. You want them to become one. That means they're gonna overlap one another. Okay. Again, insert your knife. Trim it out. Okay, this time I did not trim it because when I drag it, I cut this area out at the same time. Okay, again. then over this area, trim it out at the same time. Be very careful, they're very soft, okay? See there? And then another section. Trim it out. Okay. Now, the second layer, you need to look at your piece and start trimming to give a gap, create a gap so you can create a layer into each section of the rose here. So I'm gonna overlap this one and then up here. Trim it out tiny bit. Overlap. Trimming out. Trimming out a little bit here, corner. Okay. Continue. I'm gonna lower this center down. Try to take your scrap out from the top, because if you keep dragging this way, you might break the petals that you already carved because they're very fragile. The fruit is very soft and breakable. Okay, there we go. Finish. What do you think? Easy? So this what happened, and then this is gonna be the outer layer of the fruit here. And you can use this to garnish your fruit platter, whatever you are hosting for the guests. What do you think? Easy and simple? You can scrape this out for a better presentation. Easy and simple. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little short technique with me here today. So you can start celebrating your holiday, your new year, whatever you are hosting, or get together with your friend and family. Have a happy New Year's 2022. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a great New Year, guys. Bye-bye. สวัสดีค่ะ Take care. Be careful.